Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to reset the setting app on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So if your setting application is not working properly, I'm gonna show you guys how to hopefully resolve it. You just need to go to search menu and type settings. On right side click on app settings. Now you just need to scroll down, click on repair option. After getting repair done, you just need to select reset option and reset it. And hopefully this can able to resolve a problem guys. But if you're still having issue, then you just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Click run as administrator and select yes. Now in the command prompt window, you just need to type sfc space slash scan-now press enter. This is file checking utility scan guys. This will help you to fix corrupted files in your computer. This verification 1% need to get 100%, so kindly please wait until this 100% done. After finishing this, go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, hopefully your issue has been resolved guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.